Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف قال فبما أغويتني لأقعدن لهم صراطك المستقيم. Translation: Iblis said, because you have thrown me astray into error, so surely I will sit in wait for them on your right way. In the previous ayahs, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Shaitan Iblis down from the heaven paradise, and he was upset on Adam alayhi salam and his children, and he blamed Adam alayhi salam for this. However, the blame was totally on him because of his arrogance. He did not obey the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when he did the mistake, he became even more arrogant. He did not ask for forgiveness, and he did not repent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he said that, oh Allah, give me the permission till the day of judgment. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the permission till the end of this world, till the day of judgment. And then he said that I will make my efforts to make Adam alayhi salam and his children astray from the straight path. And he said that you have thrown me astray into error, so I will sit in wait for the children of Adam and Adam alayhi salam on your right way, so that they will become sinful. And this is a lesson that we must understood from this story, that if a mistake is done by us, the next step should be asking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and repenting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Not like Iblis, who did a mistake and then became more arrogant and continued on the path of error and path of sin. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, help us understand the tricks and waswasa, the thoughts of Iblis that are put in our hearts. Oh Allah, keep us on the straight path and don't let us go astray on the waswasa and thoughts of Iblis. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.